So in order to change the text characteristics and the text size on your iPhone or iPad, it's actually very simple. The first thing you want to do is go to the settings application. Once you've done this, you want to scroll down to accessibility and you want to click on that. From here, you want to click on display and text size. Now it's going to give you a lot of options to change the display and text size, which I do recommend going through, including auto brightness at the bottom. However, if you want to change the text size, you want to click on larger text. And there's going to be a slider at the bottom to make your text smaller or larger. Now if this still isn't large enough, you can click on the larger accessibility size at the top, and here you can actually make the text very large if you need to. But we're just going to reset it back to default just for the sake of this video. You can also enable bold text at the top if you have trouble seeing the text on your iPhone. And that is all you need to do to change the text characteristics on your iPhone or iPad. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find helpful as well. Thanks for watching and have a good day.